Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. That's exactly what Charles Osborne experienced, marking the longest recorded hiccuping spree in history. Starting in 1922 after a fall that triggered his diaphragm, Osborne hiccuped continuously, around 20 to 40 times a minute, until 1990. Despite this relentless condition, which could have driven anyone to despair, Osborne led a remarkably productive life. He managed to work on his farm, raise 8 children, and even remarried after his first wife passed away. Doctors speculated his diaphragm was damaged, but the exact cause remained a medical mystery. His hiccups miraculously stopped 1 year before his death, closing an extraordinary chapter of endurance that baffled medical experts and intrigued the world. This story isn't just about a bizarre physiological phenomenon, but also about resilience and living life unfazed by what seemed like an insurmountable challenge.